Hey everybody, I'm Dynamic John of Dynamic Carpet Care, and people ask me all the time, I steam clean my carpet but it stays wet for so long. How could I dry it faster? Well, you're probably looking behind me and thinking I'm going to dry my hair. No, actually this is just your household box fan that you can pick up at any local store. After you've steam cleaned your carpet, you take the box fan and aim it on the area you think has the most moisture in it. Put the fan there and dry that area. Once that area is dry, take the fan and move it around the house, aim it on that area, and keep checking it periodically about every hour to see how quickly it dries. So I hope this little household tip helped you to dry your carpet faster after steam cleaning. If you have any other issues, you can contact me at www.dynamiccarpetcare.us. And remember, keep it clean, my friends.